You have a great idea, but you don't know where to start. Please watch this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and where to start. Okay everybody, Stephen Key here, and today I want to talk about the big question I get from everybody always. I've got a great idea, I just don't know where to start. What do I do? I'm here to tell you, you're at the right place, inventRightTV, because we have over 1,000 videos on product licensing, which is, I'm going to take an idea, show it to a company that's looking for ideas, and they're going to rent that idea from me and pay me royalties. It's called product licensing, and companies need ideas from us. So the first thing you need to do is to educate yourself. That's why you're watching our channel. The second thing I want you to do, if you're really serious about this, is read my book, One Simple Idea from McGraw-Hill. It has over 1,000 five-star reviews on Amazon, and it's been translated in 5 different languages. Also, I've written articles for Forbes, Inc. and Entrepreneur. I think about 1,000. Can you believe it? 1,000. So all that information is available. Educate yourself, go slow. But here's the tip. I don't want you to work on a big idea at first. You're going to get frustrated. I've learned that at the very beginning of this, I came up with simple ideas, right? And simple ideas are really fun to do, and anybody can do it. And how I did it, I played a game, a very simple game called Mix and Match. I took an idea over here, and another idea maybe over here, and I brought them together and created something new. It was a simple game I played to come up with ideas. Now, there's someone that I know, her name is Veronica, and not only did she take 2 existing ideas, she actually did 3 things, and she brought them together to come up with a very simple idea. And they have sold over 240,000 of these. And what is this? It's called the Roll It Fidget Key Tag. You know what I really love about this? It's 3 things in one. It's a key ring, it's a fidget spinner, and it has a billboard for me to put promotional messaging or logos of companies. It's brilliant. But you have to realize, it's a simple idea. She didn't complicate it. She brought things together, made it new, made it unique. She was able to license it to a company, and now it is selling everywhere. So Veronica, congratulations, and thank you so much for saying such nice things about us. You get it, and your career is going through the rooftop, so congratulations. Okay, so if you don't know where to start, you're at the right place because you're watching this video. Number 2, keep on educating yourself. Number 3, don't reinvent the wheel. Come up with simple ideas, get in the game, and if you need more help, please contact us because we have a great coaching staff that can hold your hand every step along the way to make sure you're doing everything correctly to get that licensing deal. Hi, this is Stephen Key. Thanks for watching this video.